Today I'm sharing another strawberry recipe, and this time we are making soft and fluffy strawberry cupcakes topped with a simple homemade strawberry glaze. Welcome back to Oven Do. To start, finely chop 250 grams of fresh strawberries and set them aside. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. Then whisk everything together until well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar, vanilla, milk, egg, and vegetable oil until smooth and fully combined. Before adding the strawberries to the batter, toss them with a little flour. This simple trick helps keep the strawberry pieces evenly distributed throughout the cupcakes, instead of sinking to the bottom during the baking. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until a smooth batter forms. Next, gently fold in the strawberries using a spatula. At this point, the batter is filled with little pieces of fresh strawberry, which will add both flavor and moisture to the cupcakes. Line a muffin tray with cupcakes liners and divide the batter evenly between the cups. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until the cupcakes are beautifully risen and lightly golden on top. It will take around 45 minutes. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. While the cupcakes are cooling, let's prepare a quick strawberry glaze. For the glaze, I first turned fresh strawberries into a smooth puree. If you don't have a special grater or tools for this, you can simply mash the strawberries with a fork. Then gradually add powdered sugar, mixing well after each addition until the glaze reaches a smooth pourable consistency. Once the cupcakes have cooled, spoon the glaze over the top of each one. The glaze adds extra strawberry flavor and gives the cupcakes a glossy finish that makes them look even more irresistible. The crumb is soft, light, and moist, with pieces of strawberry throughout every bite. These cupcakes are simple to make, full of fresh fruit flavor, and perfect for spring and summer baking. If you enjoyed this strawberry recipe, be sure to check out my strawberry rhubarb crumble cake that I shared earlier on this channel. And there is still one more strawberry recipe coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.